Are you listening? Damn.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nishita and you're watching Namaste. Okay, so with my title, I'm sure you already know that I'm planning to make some banana cake. Banana cake is something that is very simple to make. It just needs basic ingredients like some flour, sugar, eggs, and bananas. Anybody can make it. Somebody with no baking skills can also go ahead and make it. And I just recently ordered some containers to bake and I wanted to try them out. So let's go. Okay, so you can use as many bananas as you like. You can use anything between 2 to 4, but I'm using 4 because I want more of the banana flavor. I'm using ghee here instead of butter. You can use either butter or dalda, but I'm using desi ghee. Next is some baking powder or baking soda. You need a couple of eggs, some vanilla extract. This is optional again. You can use oats or not depending upon your taste. And some flour, sugar of course, and just a pinch of salt. I ordered this cute ceramic dish. So I'm going to be using this to bake my bread or cake today. But make sure that it's oven friendly. All of this is usually given either on the packaging or below the container. So I'm going to be using 2 eggs here, and you can whisk it with your hand if you want using a whisker, but I'm going to put it in the mixer because I wanted to have a little more froth so that when I put it in the cake, it'll give it a bit more bubbles and it'll be more spongy and fluffy. almost done because I can see a nice golden brown color on top. I am going to just put in a knife and check if it's almost done. But I think it's going to take about 5 minutes more, and it smells amazing. It smells like ghee, sugar and bananas, which is just, I hope it tastes as good as it smells. I'm going to take it out after a couple of minutes or maybe 5 minutes, and I'm going to let it cool and then cut it and eat it. So baking was something that I was very conscious about, because you have to be absolutely correct. You can't go overboard, can't use less of something too much, because then it'll just ruin the dish. And I was always not so sure about my baking, but I'm so happy. I know this is one of the easiest things that you could make, but I'm so happy it looks so pretty. Okay, so I have finally given up on the salons that are going to be opening. I have given up hope on that, and I decided to cut my hair a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see, but I have got a lot of split ends. So I decided to cut my hair at home. I'm not sure how great it'll be. This is the first time that I'm going to do it, and I am really scared. I am not so sure if it will turn out well, but I am hoping that it would be okay, because I'm not going to cut too much of it, just like a tiny bit to get rid of the split ends. And I might try to get some bangs. Again, I am really scared about the bangs. I'm not sure if it will turn out well. I just read that if you have a certain kind of face structure, like if your face is oval, it might suit you, and I'm really hoping that it suits me and it's not like one of those disaster videos that I've seen online. And I'm not sure, I might actually show you guys how it looks if it turns out bad. No, actually, you know what, I will put it, because if it is something that I didn't like, then at least it would teach me not to do this again in the future. So let's do this. So I decided to wear white because that will give me like a nice background and I'll know exactly where I'm cutting. This is a craft scissor and this is like a kitchen scissor, and this is what I'm gonna have to use to cut my hair. ये मैं use करूँगी for the lower part, and this I'll try to use for the bangs. I haven't seen this anywhere. I have seen people, bring their hair in front, all the way from behind, use ponytails to cut their hair. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to divide it into half, like how I leave my hair every time. I am just going to cut a little bit of the bottom, because that's it. That's my plan. I have no rocket science plan behind this. I haven't followed any videos online.
Sure. No coming back from here.
Oh my god, I can't believe this. I have left it a bit long at the sides because that's how I wanted it to be. I wanted it to have this kind of look. I look so different. I can't believe I look so different.
It's looking nice, but
Yeah, I think it's
Yes.
looking nice. I like it.
like it.
Me too. Okay, so this is how I look with all the rest of my hair tied up. I didn't think I could pull this off because this front part was the worst. That was the toughest. I cut it first up till here because I didn't want it to go all the way till here. Just one shot, you know. So I went on cutting it like gradually. And slowly by slowly, I left it till here. I left it a bit uneven because I didn't want that straight kind of look, but I am so happy I did this. I was so unsure about this. I was convincing Rohan from the past 1 or 2 weeks now that I want to cut my hair. I want to cut it short in front, and he wasn't sure I could pull this off, and frankly speaking I wasn't sure either. But it looks pretty good, and I like not that short. I mean,
the Chandni Chowk to China.
Chandni Chowk to China. And yeah, so it's not that short, you know. As you can see, I can always put it up, but I'm not. I'm gonna make use of this hairstyle while it lasts, because so I'm gonna be obsessed now with my hair for the next 1 week. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. This was one of the most scariest things that I've done. I like to be spontaneous, but this was so scarily spontaneous that I am going to remember this always. But I'm so glad I did it. I am happy with the look. You know, my hands were shivering while doing it. I think I already mentioned this before. But I'm so happy I did it. I like the look, and I had like a mini photo session of myself, hence the red lipstick and everything. But if you like this video for whatsoever reason, for all the trouble that I've gone through, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, don't forget to keep slaying.
Have you ever felt
Are you listening? Damn.